Welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are going to do project number 3 of the Fluttering Garden March 2026 paper pumpkin kit. So I have got my card base, I've folded it over. I've got my 3 little hummingbirds, I've got my big thank you, and I've got my stamp. Now I need to ink this up. And we're going to stamp this down here, and we're going to do this 4 times across the front of the card. We're going to do it again, and they are leaving just a little bit of a gap, and I don't know if I'm leaving too much of a gap or not enough gap. Okay, and then we're going to pop this down again like that. And they, of course, have done them really evenly. The light reflects on the back of my blocks, and sometimes I can't actually see where I'm putting it down. So forgive me if I'm a little bit off. Okay, so I started in a little bit too far and left too much of a gap. So they've got it nicely evenly spaced. I don't. But again, things you can learn from me. Okay, we need to put our dimensionals on the back of our hummingbirds here. Okay, and our thank you. So the thank you gets lots of dimensionals, and the thank you goes down first, and the hummingbirds kind of layer up over top of the thank you. So we're going to do this like this and like that. And then the hummingbirds get 2 each. Okay, so that like that, and like that, and then like this, and like this. I have been looking forward to this kit ever since we got the preview of the upcoming months. I am so excited to do this kit, and I've already got alternatives just floating all over the place inside my head, and I can't wait to get them out and onto paper for you. So this is going to go about like that. Okay, so we'll just push that down, and then this is this hummingbird, and this one is going to go at the top here. So let's do that. Okay, and it lines up with the A, and it does kind of overlap just a little bit. I'm just going to pop that up because I tucked it underneath. There we go. So that one goes like that. This one goes over here, and it goes like this. And then our third one goes at the bottom here and kind of overlaps that T a little bit. There we go. And then we get out our bling. I need 3 large bling. And I put 1 large one up here, and then 2 large ones, 1 here and 1 here, and then I get a little one and I put it here, and another little one up here. And that is our 3rd project. The artwork in these hummingbirds is just gorgeous. So that's project number 3. Stay tuned for the first alternate right after this video, and then one every day this week.